Hey everybody, we're going to do a little open boxing and install for the Athena flared Magwell for Glock 16. This is from Athena Precision. Pop that off. Comes with its own little sandwich bag here. Little tiny sandwiches. Let's see what we got. A sticker. And then a plug and hardware. And the whatchamacallit, the Magwell. Feels nice. Now the Glock 17 has a built-in Magwell a little bit. See, I have to put this plug in. You need the plug to that's kind of irritating. So I need the small star drive for the plug and the bigger star drive for the that's not it. It's too big. What do we got here? All right, we have two different star drives on here. I guess it's so you don't mix them up. So this is an aluminum plug and an aluminum Magwell. So it's shaped. It has a little crescent here that matches the inside here, so you put it in the proper orientation. There's also a slot. This is snug. There we go. Clips on there. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put a little teeny tiny bit of thread lock on here so these don't back out during shooting. Actually, I'm going to get this started and then do it. Or maybe not. Little dab. Just snugging it in there. Now you can get a brass one, but I'm not really interested in adding all that extra weight. Now we have to switch to the smaller star drive. And that's snug. And there we are, the Athena. And it has the combat grips in here. This is empty, but it has the combat thing in here so you can, or the combat cuts on the side. So if you have a malfunction, you can grab the magazine and rip it out. Well, there you go. There's a Glock 17, has the Athena. See the Athena on it. Aluminum Magwell. Hope that helps.